Hi guys. Okay, I promised that I am going to teach the beginners how to create images or generate images using AI. So it could be image of yourself, it could be images that you want to use to create anything for your faceless YouTube account and anything like that. So image creation does not only stop with you, it could also go in with any other thing that you would like to use images to do. Okay, so for the sake of this video, we are going to be using that wedding dress I posted yesterday. Okay, I'm going to show you how I made that wedding dress to look very beautiful like that. And also I'm also going to show you how you can also use the image you have already generated to recreate another thing. So some people think that, oh, you have to keep using your natural face all the time. No, if you already generated an image that looks like you, use that image to generate another image. Yes, this not be everything I'm going to tell you, but let's go first and create that image now. First of all, I know some people mostly run out of prompt ideas, right? So in this video, the first thing I'm going to tell you or show you is where to get prompt ideas if you are not very creative with prompts. Okay, so one thing is get the prompt, another is use the prompt for your creation. Let's start with getting the prompt. Guys, the first place you need to go if you don't have any prompt idea is to go on Pinterest. So go on Pinterest. So what you need to do is just search the idea that you have. So for the sake of this video, we're looking at wedding dress. So you can just write wedding dress ideas Pinterest. You send it in, you will go there and you will see a lot of wedding dresses. Okay, so there are so much wedding dresses that you're going to find. You can see all of them. So download the one you want. Just go on and download the one you want. If it doesn't let you download, you can just screenshot. So for the sake of this video, I already have the one I want to use that I like because of the video, the picture I posted yesterday. So after that, take the picture to ChatGPT. And when you get to ChatGPT, post the picture. Wait a second. So let's post the picture on chat. So this is that's wedding dress. So look at that. So I'm gonna say, I'm gonna tell chat, prompt this wedding dress, add every detail. Okay. Now I will send it in and then wait for it to give me the prompt. So this is the prompt here. Right now I am going to select the text, okay, to copy the prompt that chat has given to me. So I will take this and then go to Gemini. So make sure that you click on all the additional details for AI prompt, copy everything, start even the style keywords, copy everything. So then I will take it to, so click on copy, then I will take it to where? Gemini. Remember that Gemini is not the only app you can do this, but Gemini is the most popular one. But maybe in the next video, I will teach you other free apps, apps that you can use to do this photo generation. Gemini cannot be the king all the time. So now we have gone to Gemini because I've already done this thing before. So let me use that one that I did. So look at this photo. This photo I put here is a photo that AI generated for me in the past. So that's what I'm saying. You can always also, sorry, you can also use the image that was generated before for you and it will be fine. Okay, so this is it. This is it. Right? This is that image I generated yesterday. So what I did, let me show you how I did it again. What I did is click on this box. Click on this box. Click on this box. Let's go out and start it from the beginning. So when you open Gemini like this, go to new chat. If it's showing like this, fine. If it's not showing like this, just click on this table here and click on new chat. You see this banana sign. Make sure you tap on it, touch it like this so that it will go into this box below. Now it is in this box that you will paste that prompt. Do it again. Paste the prompt. Click on the plus sign. Add this image. Let's use the image we used yesterday and see what it's going to be. So let's copy that prompt again and paste it. Let's copy that prompt again and paste it. So let me get the prompt again, guys. Sorry. So good. I found it. So good. So now go on and edit. Don't forget to edit where this stunning. Good. Now click on this place to send it in. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, this is it. Fantastic. This is gorgeous. This is really, really gorgeous. So this is how to design the wedding dress. So make sure you use an image that looks like you to get the perfect outcome. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. So I hope this video helps you to create AI images. Like I said, it doesn't have to be for yourself. It could be for your neighbor. It could be for your children. It could be for your customer. You can create for people and collect money. Yes. So yeah, I hope this this video helps you. But after this video, if you still don't get it, that means you might need to join my personal training classes where I will take you by hand and move you to start doing better at it. Okay. So I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you. Love you.